Welcome to the JWell Book Club. My name is Chaim Eckstein, and we are covering this month the book Eat That Frog with Brian Tracy, 21 Principles for Success, and we are up to number 19. Create large chunks of time. Organize your days around large blocks of time so you can concentrate for extended periods of time on your most important tasks. Most of the really important tasks that you have to do requires large chunks of unbroken time to complete, like uninterrupted. Your ability to carve out and use these blocks of high value, highly productive time is central to your ability to make significant contribution to your work and your life. Many highly productive people schedule specific activities in pre-planned time slots all day long. These people build their work lives around accomplishing key tasks one at a time. As a result, they become more and more productive and eventually produce 2 times, 3 times, or 5 times as much as the average person. A time planner broken down by day, hour, and minutes and organized in advance can be one of the most powerful personal productivity tools of all. It enables you to see where you can consolidate and create blocks of time of concentrated work. During these working times, turn off your cell phone, eliminate all distractions, and work non-stop. One of the keys to high levels of performance and productivity is to make every minute count. Use travel and transition times that are often called gift of times, extra time, to complete small chunks of larger tasks. If you're on a plane or even every day when you travel in your car for large amount of times, use those gift of times to listen to audios in regards to your work or your life. This way, you're getting a real gift of time and you use it properly, efficiently, that will help you in the long term immensely. And we are holding by number 20, and that is develop a sense of urgency. As Napoleon Hill says, do not wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work with whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. There is a rule for success called momentum principle of success. This principle says that although it may take tremendous amount of energy to get started initially, it then takes far less energy to keep going. A sense of urgency shifts you automatically onto the fast track in your career. The faster you work and the more you get done, the higher will be your levels of self-esteem, self-respect, and personal pride. You will feel in complete control of your life and your work. One of the simplest and yet the most powerful ways to get yourself started is to repeat the words, do it now, do it now, do it now, over and over again to yourself. If you feel yourself slowing down or becoming distracted by conversations or low-value activities, repeat to yourself the word, back to work, back to work, back to work, over and over and over again. This way, once you start, it's much, much easier to keep going. If you slow down, just continue to repeat, back to work, and don't stop until you are done, until you get the job done. And then you're gonna feel so much more in control of yourself. And we are now down to the 21st principle. Handle every task. Set clear priorities. Start immediately on your most important task and then work without stopping until the job is 100% complete. This is the real key to high performance and maximum personal productivity. Every bit of planning, prioritizing, and organizing comes down to this simple concept. By concentrating single-mindedly on your most important task, you can reduce the time required to complete it by 50% or more. The truth is that once you have decided on your number one task, everything else that you do other than that is a relative waste of time. Any other activity is just not as valuable or as important as this job based on your own priorities. In the final analysis, Success in any area requires tons of discipline. Self-discipline, self-mastery, and self-control are the basic building blocks of both character and high performance. By focusing clearly on your most valuable tasks and concentrating single-mindedly until it's 100% complete, you actually shape and mold your own character. You become a superior person. You feel stronger, more competent, more confident, and happier. You feel more powerful and productive. You eventually feel capable of setting and achieving any goal. You become the master of your own destiny. You place yourself on an ascending spiral of personal effectiveness on which your future is absolutely guaranteed. And the key to all of this is to determine the most valuable and important thing you could possibly be doing at every single moment of your life, of every single moment of your work. And this way, you're going to be able to accomplish the biggest tasks that you set yourself up to accomplish. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for the next segment of the conclusion of the 21 Principles of Success with Brian Tracy.